5:30 in the morning, heading to the races. It's only like 45 minutes away or something like that, but I want to make sure and be there on time. Woo! It's getting progressively more and more beautiful. Look at this. Like just getting here, I passed so many cool dirt roads and stuff. Got my new bulkhead plate put in. Also got the number spray painted on the windows. Okay, well, we are here about 30 minutes before everyone else, including the host. She's looking real good. I can't wait. Plop! Got my shoes on. These are my racing shoes, aka shoes I got at JCPenney's. I guess I'm part of the first heat. Oh yeah? Yeah. Oh no, sorry, I was talking to, doing a little YouTube thing. Oh, but also for, yeah. So it's gonna be interesting. We're not gonna get a chance to kind of like dig in the course a little bit more, so it's not gonna be as visible for me, but I'm going to get my car and I'm going to get on the grid. Here we go. The guy said he wasn't fast and he's all really good as shit. I'm having trouble like with the cones. It's not enough of a differentiator between the dirt and the cones for me to kind of be able to look ahead and see the turns coming, because it just looks like a lot of cones. And I know I'll get better at it as I continue on, but I much prefer like a course or a stage or whatever, like where there's like grass on the sides, or you know, sides on the sides where you can actually look ahead and have it like kind of matter. This is like a whole different thing to me. I don't know if my depth perception is bad or something, but I'm definitely not doing the best. But I'm having a lot of fun either way. Definitely gonna do this again. Visibility infinity. I like getting it sideways. I don't really care much about my times. the last part, but that's okay.
Well, that was fun. That was my first official race, and my car did not break down, and I did not crash. I saw my times, and they were improving. Like, I think my first time for the second course was like 51 seconds, because I missed the whole course basically, and then the last one was I think 40 or 39 or something like that. So yeah, improvement, and everything held up good. The car did its thing. I have participated in a legal race, which is very cool, and you can see where my oil explosion happened under the hood at one point. She's a dirty girl right now, and that doesn't look too good. That might be something bad right there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a lot of oil, feels like. Anyway, I'll figure that out and make sure to blow a head gasket or something. Cool. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video.